y'all, it's your girl Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I will be showing you guys how I achieve this look, this deep side part with a fox braid, a feed-in braid. Honestly, this right here, this hairstyle is going a long way. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just stay tuned for this video. And yeah. Alright guys, so this is the things that you guys will need to achieve this hairstyle. I will list them down below in the description box below. Also, just stay tuned so you can see how I achieve this deep side part braid. Alright, so I'm just doing a time lapse on how I did my deep side part. If you guys did not see a video on how I did my deep side part, I have the video listed down below in the description box when I did the bun. So it's the same exact steps that I used, so just go check out that video if you guys want to learn how I did my deep side part. Alright, so this is the final step. After I finish putting my hair in a ponytail, I'm just going to go over my edges with some edge control to make sure that they're laying, and then you guys will see me go in with my braiding hair. Alright, so now it's time to go in with my braid. I'm just using some pre-stretched yaki hair. I decided to use yaki because it has some type of wave in it and it's going to look natural and it will blend with my hair. I got the number 1B and I feel like that's the closest to my hair type. So first things first, I'm going in with the first one. I personally thought that 1 wasn't enough, so I went in and I took out 2 out of the pack, and then you guys will see me put it on my ponytail. Just use the same rubber band, wrap it around my ponytail, and then you guys will see how I will braid it in a second. Alright, so as I said before, I'm going back in with the hair, the braiding hair. I'm just wrapping the rubber band around my actual ponytail. At first, I took 2 braids and I braided it to the side to see, you know, if that was going to be seamless, but that didn't work. So you guys will see what I'll do. I'm just taking a little piece of the hair and I'm just going to clip that at the top. So that will be the part that I'll wrap it. So I'm going to do a braid. I split my real hair into 2 parts and then I'm using the actual weave as a third part of the braid. I'm trying to slow it down so you guys can see, but that's all I'm doing. I'm just braiding my hair within the hair, and then you guys will see me pick up hair to feed in this braid so it can have the same width going down. Okay, so now that my hair is done within the braid, you guys see me feeding in some weave within the braid. All I did was just put it under and then I'm just braiding it down. And then that is it. Just braid all the way down until you get to the bottom. And that is it for your braid. Okay, so now that I'm done with the braid, I'm going to take the hair that's at the top and wrap it. And then I honestly thought I had the clip, but I guess it got lost. So now that my braid is done and I wrapped the hair, I'm going in with some mousse to make sure that my hair will lay underneath my scarf. And then I'm going in with some Gatsby spray to make sure that my hair will be laid for the week. My goal is to have this style for a week, and that is it. Okay, so now that I have the scarf on top of my head, you guys can use any scarf that you guys want. I'm going in with some hot water Yeah, hot water, and I'm going to dip the braid inside of the water to make sure that the braid does not unravel throughout the week. And I'm going to dip it twice. Make sure you guys have a towel or a t-shirt. I think this towel wasn't even thick enough, as you guys can see, but just dip your braid twice and then your braid will be good to go. Okay, so 30 minutes later, after I'm all dolled up, I am taking my hair scarf off of my head. As you guys can see, my hair is laid. This part is completely optional. I just got some, what do you call these, clips from the dollar store. I have one that says XO and the other one says Babe. And I'm just clipping it into my hair. You guys can use any accessories you guys want. If you guys want, you guys can take the little gold clips and clip them throughout the braid if you want. But that is it. I'm just putting this little touch to my hairstyle, and that is all I did to achieve this hairstyle. Alright, y'all, so that is my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Honestly, this is my first time ever doing a braid like this. Like, I didn't know how I was gonna achieve this look. I must say, next time I'll probably like blow dry my actual hair, but I didn't want to put any heat on my hair because I'm on this like hair grow journey. I could have used cool hair, but whatever. Next time when I'll do a second braid, you guys will see that probably next Wednesday. Stay tuned for that. I'll probably do some cool hair, so like my hair could like seamlessly blend in with the braid or whatever hairstyle I'm doing. But yeah, that is it. This is Protective Styles Wednesday, so I will see you guys on Sunday. I hope you guys have an amazing one. I hope you guys are having an amazing week, y'all. I will see you guys on Sunday. Keep doing what y'all doing. Make sure God is in the middle of everything that you do, and I will see y'all later.